Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Porsche Panamera trunk. We'll explore the various ways to access your vehicle's rear storage compartment, ensuring you can always get to your belongings with ease. Whether you're using the key fob, the interior button, or even the manual release, I'll guide you through each step. This will help you confidently operate your Panamera's trunk in any scenario, making your experience smoother and more convenient. Your Porsche Panamera offers three primary methods for opening its trunk, providing flexibility and convenience. First, the key fob allows you to open the trunk remotely, which is incredibly handy when approaching your car with your hands full. Second, an easily accessible button inside the cabin lets you open the trunk without leaving your seat. Finally, a manual release ensures you can always access the trunk, even in situations where electronic methods are unavailable. To use your key fob, simply press and hold the trunk release button for about 2 seconds. You'll hear the latch disengage. For interior access, look for the trunk release button typically located on the driver's side, often near the door panel or dashboard. A firm press of this button will also activate the trunk's opening mechanism. Both methods are designed for quick and effortless access to your Panamera's spacious cargo area. In rare cases, you might need the manual release, which is typically found inside the trunk, often behind the rear seats or under a floor panel. Pulling this emergency handle will mechanically unlatch the trunk. To close the trunk, simply pull it down gently until you hear it click securely into place. Ensure it is fully latched before driving to prevent any issues. These steps ensure you can always manage your Panamera's trunk effectively.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.